Allows new aftermarket stereo to be installed in factory location. Fits double DIN stereos with a maximum screen size. Faceplate opening is 3 13/16 by 6 13/16, 96.8 mm by 173 mm. Precision designed for a gapless fit between the dash and the dash kit. Color and texture matches the factory dash. Easy to install. No special tools are required. Includes step-by-step instructions. For 40 years, SCOSCHE has been producing high-quality, affordable car stereo dash kits, vehicle wiring harnesses, adapters, interfaces, amplifier wiring dash kits, cables and other 12 volts installation accessories. We know how you feel about your vehicle, so we will not design, engineer or deliver a product that does not meet our extremely high standards. When you purchase a SCOSCHE installation accessory, we have you covered. We offer lifetime tech support, which means our knowledgeable tech team is available to answer any product questions you may have for as long as you own the product. Top reviews from the United States. Kind of tricky to break off all the pieces, but it works great. This was an interesting product. The way it works is it has all the connection pieces for tons of models of cars, and you break off the parts that aren't for you car. Some of the pieces are easier to break than others, but it's doable with the right tools. Other than that, it fits perfect in my car for my radio. I have a 2003 Toyota Matrix and bought a double DIN radio. It's been probably 11 months now and is still holding up great.